With IBM Watson Code Assistant, your development teams get everything they need to code smarter, not harder. The enterprise-grade AI code assistant combines the power of generative AI with advanced automation to help your teams understand their environment and plan for modernization, transform their code with the help of generative AI, validate new code with generated test cases, deploy modernized applications with automated processes, and use runtime insights to support the entire code lifecycle. Here's how it works. Let's say you need to add a new front-end to a Java application built with Spring Boot and MyBatis. But you're not familiar with the app's structure or functionality. In fact, when you first run the app, you encounter an issue. And although the Spring test report has identified the root cause, the purpose of that file is unclear. Here's where Watson Code Assistant comes in. Using the code explanation feature, you can get more context on the entire file and see the specific method that seems to be causing the issue. Watson Code Assistant reveals that an incorrect status code is being called here. After fixing the code, you can run the test again and verify that everything is now successful. The fix has been quick and easy, and you haven't had to disrupt the workflow of anyone else on the team. Plus, you can then use Watson Code Assistant to add natural language documentation into the code, so future work can go even faster. Now it's time to create a new front-end for the app. In a new chat window, identify the API endpoint for Watson Code Assistant to use in its code. Next, instruct the AI to generate a script for creating a new user. For additional context, you can show it how to call the specific endpoint via the terminal. After pasting the generated code into the HTML file, you can run the app to check for any errors. In a matter of seconds, the AI combines a new API endpoint created in Java with a curl command from the terminal to generate the JavaScript for use in the new HTML form. But what if you'd like to fine-tune the user experience? Watson Code Assistant can help with that too. First, let's make the code a little more professional. Simply ask the AI to separate the script into its own file while maintaining context from the existing chat history and other existing files. Next, you can verify that the functionality is still correct. Now it's time to improve the visual appeal. In a new chat window, ask Watson Code Assistant to create a style sheet to make the UI look nicer. With these adjustments, your form looks much better, and the styling is neatly organized within a style sheet. From debugging to code generation to full app modernization, Watson Code Assistant accelerates the entire development lifecycle. Empower your teams to work smarter with AI. Get started today with a free trial of Watson Code Assistant.